What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stocko YouTube channel. In today's video, we're covering the SoFi stock. I'm very excited. I believe SoFi is about to absolutely explode. All of those little headlines we got with the offering, the past 2 weeks, making the stock sell off. I believe all of that smoke with the offering has finally cleared out. And if you take a look at the stock price action the past couple of trading days, we are 3 trading days green in a row, back to back to back. I believe all the sellers are shaken out. You saw Jane Street take that freaking $1 billion position. Obviously, they took some shares inside of the offering at the $20, $21 range, and I believe that put a bottom in. I think we got a lot of room to run from here. You got to remember, SoFi management team has given us absolutely nothing as far as, big news headlines. They literally said they've closed 10 Galileo deals set for Q1 2026, new revenue streams. Haven't given you one deal, not even one announcement. Crypto, they said it's coming in 2025. Hey, there's only 4 to 5 months left in the year. We still haven't got a crypto announcement. The list just goes on. Cash Coach, I just can't stop, okay? We have so much opportunity to run from here. I think management is trying to time everything perfectly right around rate cuts. Tomorrow may be a volatile day. That's why I'm doing this video today for sure. We got the CPI report in the morning. It may lead to a lower percentage of rate cuts or a higher percentage of rate cuts. We just have to see. So get that data in the morning, and if you see a buying opportunity, take advantage of that. But I'm telling you right now, SoFi is the clear winner. I'm looking at all these overvalued stocks, and nobody is performing like SoFi on a valuation basis. The company is literally trading at under 8 times sales, and you're getting cloud companies with less growth and no profitability at all trading at 30 times sales. I'm telling you, when the big multiple happens, it is going to happen extremely quickly. I believe this stock could easily explode to double the sales, price to sales, 16 times sales. This is a $45 stock in a blink of an eye. It is coming, and it is coming fast. SoFi is using so much AI technology behind the scenes. They don't even talk about it. You just see it in the numbers. They just deliver quarter after quarter. I think the next couple of quarters, you may be seeing a back-to-back 40% revenue growth quarter because you're about to see members scale to all-time highs during this upcoming NFL season, followed by the TGL season. This is it, guys. This is everything that SoFi has been investing for as far as marketing, all of the campaigns. Everything is about to come together all at once. And if you see that Galileo, revenue start to tick up, this is going to finally become a fintech hybrid multiple, and the stock's going to go to the moon, okay? We've been doing our due diligence, loading up at these levels, under 10, under 15, and I think everything is going to pay off very soon. We got a lot of new people inside of the stock. I understand that, and there is risk when you come with a higher DCA average. That is part of the game, but hey, as long as the company is thriving and is about to grow even faster, there's no point where you shouldn't DCA down. And guys, we purchased 3 new stocks inside of the VIP Patreon, okay? You're going to get immediate buy alerts as soon as I purchase those stocks. And I'm going to show you one of the stocks we purchased inside of the VIP Patreon. Everyone got that buy alert the second I did it. And here we have Bitmine Immersions Technologies. This is the company loading up on Ethereum, putting it on the balance sheet. So I sent the buy alert out at 35 bucks. We're already up 66%, $22,000 return, $56,000 value. Everyone got this buy alert immediately as soon as I got into it. This is the type of moves we're making outside of SoFi. I don't post about these on YouTube because I'm not as confident as SoFi long term, but you can see, this was an incredible move we made. You're going to get my next buy alert inside of the VIP Patreon. The link is in the comment section. I'm telling you guys, when I see opportunity, I take advantage of it. All right, guys, take a look at SoFi stock today. We got a little bit of a pump today, about 4%. 23 bucks, and then we close under that 22.50. I think this has to do with that CPI report. You can see the market did bleed off a little bit throughout the day. But another thing we didn't even talk about in the beginning of the video is, as I'm typing this post that I made a couple days ago, SoFi is currently larger than 180 companies inside of the S&P 500. Yes, they are ranked 320 out of 500 companies inside of the S&P 500. Guys, do you understand how large of a company this is right now? We're already bigger than 180 companies. We are about to go into the S&P 500 any moment now. We are fully qualified. Now take a look at this. What do you notice about the 3 most recent companies that just entered the S&P 500 compared to SoFi? Yes, there was a couple other like 10, but I'm just showing you 3. Look at Expand Energy, Williams-Sonoma, and the Trade Desk and SoFi. Look at the market caps. 23 billion on Expand Energy, 24 billion on Williams-Sonoma, 26 billion on the Trade Desk, 26 billion on SoFi. SoFi is bigger than all of these companies on a market cap. Do you understand how close we are? The companies that are getting in right now, we're larger than on a market cap. The companies that are already in, we're bigger than 180 of them. We're fully profitable 7 quarters in a row. We're growing 40%. This is the type of company that they want to put inside of the S&P 500. I'm telling you, this company is significantly undervalued. Everything is going to come together all at once. You are about to see profitability scale to new highs. We're about to clip 100 million, 200 million, 300 million, 400 million. It's going to happen extremely quickly. 2026 is where you're going to see the numbers just absolutely explode out of nowhere. But I'm telling you right now, we're gearing up for record members, record revenue, and record profitability all across the board, Q3 and Q4, as we enter the NFL marketing season. Now, this is where the big money is going to be made, okay? How big is SoFi's loan platform business opportunity from today in front of them? High interest credit card debt equals $1.3 trillion sitting out there. SoFi loan platform origination run rate now sits at $10.4 billion. On that $10.4 billion originations, they do $524 million in revenue. SoFi has penetrated 0.8% of this $1.3 trillion high interest credit card debt market. I repeat, 0.8%. Not even penetrated 1% of the market yet. Let's assume they scale this to 5% of this $1.3 trillion market per year. Loan platform business will generate $65 billion in yearly originations at a 5% take rate. That's $3.2 billion in fee-based revenue when they hit 5% market share. I mean, that's bigger than like 3 of the AI companies right now put together on all of their revenues, okay? Do you understand how big this could be? This is going to be a $100-200 billion company in no time at all. I just personally think we're going to be at 50 billion market cap in no time at all, which is doubled those 3 companies that just entered the S&P 500. I'm telling you, it's coming. SoFi hasn't given us anything as far as new loan platform business deals, the 10 Galileo deals, and no crypto, no cash coach. I'm telling you, these guys are smart. They're timing everything accordingly. And we have, interest rates potentially coming in the next 6 weeks. We got a CPI report tomorrow that could change the dynamics of things. I'm getting very excited from here. I'm telling you, this is the stock you want to be in. And take a look right here. SoFi just finished 3 out of 3 green trading days. What does that tell me? That tells me the offering smoke has cleared. You can see the institutions are starting to nibble. They're waiting for some big news to break out. Jane Street, $1 billion, buy-in. Everything's looking good right now for SoFi on a short term. And look at this, guys. We got Vanguard increases ownership by 0.8%. Not too much of an increase, but still adding more shares. Total shares, 100 million. Total value, 2.2 billion. So they added about a million and a half shares. This is what we want to see. Institutions continue to increase their position. Breaking news, Nikko asset increased ownership by 29%. Total shares, 3.4 million. Total value, 61 million. So you can see institutions are increasing after the Q2 report. We have a lot of institutions that are about to start reporting their numbers. I can't wait to see them. All right, guys, so look at the call options for the next 5-6 weeks. You can see this week we got 170,000 calls, followed by the next week 30,000, then 40,000, 26,000, 5,000. So after this week, I mean, it is very, very, very quiet. But you can see we do got some big puts for this week. This could be someone getting ready for the CPI report tomorrow. We don't know, but I think, we have clear skies ahead pretty soon. I think, once again, that offering smoke has finally cleared. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We're going to continue to keep you updated on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Be sure to sign up for the VIP Patreon. You can see some of the moves we're making. You're going to get those alerts immediately as soon as I make them. You can see the BitMine Immersions technology. We're up almost 60% already. We've only had that position for like 2 weeks, and that thing's going to go a lot higher from here. Get in on the next buying opportunity. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys have a great day.